I have one simple goal in life. When I turn 70 years old, I hope I can still walk with confidence and run 5 kilometers, just as I do today. Many people believe that money is the most important thing in life. I understand why they think that, but to me, good health is just as valuable. Imagine having all the money you could ever want, but no longer having the strength to enjoy it. If your body becomes weak, wealth alone cannot bring happiness. That is why I choose to invest in my health while I am still young. Some people tell me that going to the gym and running every week is a waste of time. I see it differently. To me, every workout is an investment in my future. Just like saving money, taking care of our body is something we should never ignore. We spend most of our lives working hard to support our families. That is important. But we should also make time to strengthen our body, because one day, our future self will thank us for it. My name is L.Pham. I go to the gym 4 times every week, and every weekend I run 5 kilometers. It has become part of my lifestyle. I am now 39 years old, yet many people tell me that I look closer to 29. Whether that is true or not, I know one thing for sure. Exercise has changed my life. Today, I want to show you one of my favorite places to run. This is That Luang Lake in Vientiane. A beautiful lake surrounded by a wide running path. One lap around the lake is about 2.5 kilometers. If you want to run 5 kilometers like I usually do, simply complete 2 laps. The atmosphere here is peaceful. In the morning and in the evening, many local people come here to exercise. In the morning, small coffee stands and bakeries open near the entrance. After their run, people often sit down together, enjoy a cup of coffee, and slowly start their day. In the evening, another small market opens nearby. Local vendors sell food and drinks for runners and families who come here to relax after sunset. If you ever visit Vientiane and enjoy running, perhaps we will meet here one day. Leave a comment below this video. It would be my pleasure to run together with you. My name is L.Pham. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next journey.